Have you heard of the tool that changed dentistry forever? Before 1864, dental drills were slow and painful, making dental work a nightmare for patients. Meet George Fellows Harrington, the man who revolutionized dentistry with a groundbreaking invention. In 1864, Harrington created the first motorized dental drill, making procedures faster and less painful. Patients were amazed when they first experienced the power of Harrington's invention. Harrington's drill marked the beginning of modern dentistry, paving the way for the tools we use today. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.